Hello mga kabayan! Kailan ka huling nagpasko sa Pilipinas? Kasama ang buong pamilya mo. Yung kompleto kayo, masaya, walang trabaho na iniisip. O isa ka rin ba sa mga taong taon-taong nangangarap umuwi pero hindi pa rin kaya financially? Kung ikaw to, please don't skip. Hi, my name is Loverly. I'm a registered nurse, a wife, a mom of 3, and now a digital business owner here in Hawaii, USA. Originally, I'm from Bohol, Philippines. Pumunta ako dito sa US with a big dream of providing a better future for my children at ang mapauwi ang parents ko from working abroad. When I moved here to the US, akala ko magiging okay na ang lahat. I worked hard, first as a sales associate, then I became a nurse. My husband and I both work full-time, pero halos hindi na kami nagkikita. Yes, may income, pero ganun din kalaki ang bills. At the same time, napauwi ko na rin finally yung parents ko after working more than 20 years as an OFW. And until now, I am sending them regularly every month for their medications, their checkups, and their allowance. Hindi ako pwedeng tumigil. Hindi ako pwedeng huminto. Kasi may mga taong umaasa sa akin. So I kept going. Overtime, extra shifts, kahit pagod na. Pero alam mo yung pinakamasakit? It's been more than 20 years since huli akong nagpasko kasama ang pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. 2 dekada na. At tuwing naririnig ko ang kantang Sa Araw ng Pasko, hindi ko mapigilan umiyak. Kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan ko yun mararanasan ulit. Then one day, a coworker introduced me to this business. At first, sobrang skeptical talaga ako. Kasi ang daming scam ngayon, di ba? So I did my research. Hindi ako basta pumasok. I prayed. I checked everything. And I found out that this company has been around for more than 50 years. Legit, established, and IRS tax registered, meaning you receive proper documentation for all your earnings. That gave me peace of mind. So, kahit takot ako, I took a leap of faith and I said yes. Now, I run a digital business using just my phone and my laptop. Walang inventory, walang shipping, hindi ako naghahabol ng tao. And we have a proven system and a very supportive community. Hindi pa perfect, pero ngayon, may pag-asa na ako. May direction, may choice na ako. At unti-unti, I'm getting closer to that dream na makauwi at makasama ulit ang pamilya ko sa Pasko. If nakarelate ka sa story ko and you're serious about changing your situation, message me info. I'll send you a free 20-minute webinar para makita mo kung paano ito gumagana. This is not for everyone, only for those who are ready to learn, grow, and take action. Thank you and God bless everyone. I'm really hoping to see you inside soon.